Hello guys, how are you all? In today's video I'm going to tell you about the crypto airdrop which is of ICE. You can see it is logo here. That is the biggest airdrop which is launching on the March. So you can go for it. It is the best airdrop and it is the best technology. It will go in Ethereum as I got to know, as I am the crypto airdropper, as you can see in my channel YouTube, and I am giving the latest details and all the details about the airdrop. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's continue the video. So it is a ICE crypto airdrop. So you can see it is my current balance is 12 only, because I come to know now that it is going to launch in March. I was thinking that it will not launch and it will be something like stuff, so I does not dealing with it, but I get to know it will go in Ethereum chain and it will be launching in OKX chain also. If with the Twitter I got to know that my subscriber has told me that you can go for it. It is a good airdrop, and I talked to their ice cream also with their mails and the some of them. So he tell me that you can go for it, the biggest airdrop, and we'll be launching it. So I'm giving you the information right now. So let's begin the video. So it is a crypto balance. You does not have to do anything. It will be do 24 hours. As you can see, earning rate is 2.50 per stake. Also, you can go for it. It's the best airdrop. I will give you the link description. What to do is just for sign up. You have to go for email and you will submit the email. The email will give you the email. You have to sign in. You will get the file. You will get the any code like 1 2 3 4 5 6 on the app when you sign in, and then you can go for signing in the email and you have to just paste the code there and you will be activated your account easily. It is having the pushing like activity that we have to do something like that, but it is easy to install and do. I was not knowing that it is doing like this type of technology is used in it. So it is having good technology of sign up also, so you can go for it, and it's also having staking power, manage power, and more of the people are there in it. And one thing also I have to show you that see, here is the tier 1 referral, tier 2 referral. You having the friend circle, you can go for it. I'll give you in the link description, and you will get the 10 token from my balance easily. So we are continuing the video about it, and I do not want to waste your time. So like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for the watching the video. Thank you.